source with the Userful video wall. So to begin, you want to click New Source. Then you want to scroll down to RTP. Then you're going to want to give it a name, so we'll just call it Userful RTP. And then you're going to need the IP address of the server, so 192.168.74.31. And this is purely for local setup here. Your IP address will vary depending on your setup. So the port number usually varies, but in a lot of cases it is 5004, so we'll just use that for demo purposes. And then the payload, it will just, by default, it's MPT2, or 2T I should say. Anyways, from here you're given the option to zoom full screen, scale to fit, or stretch full screen. Now, stretch full screen will just blow up the content, but it'll be a little bit out of style. Scale to fit, we'll scale it down, but you will have some bezels. And zoom full screen zooms in the whole way. So you don't quite have the full stretching effect of stretch full screen or scale to fit. It's kind of a mixture of the two. And then we'll just hit OK. And then the new source will appear, and then drag down the screen into this. So after you hit apply, it'll then take effect. The content is now showing. That concludes today's video. If you have any further questions, please visit support.userful.com. Thank you.